Hello everyone, in this video I am going to discuss how to set up taxes in Google Merchant Center and how to set up it on your Shopify store, especially if you are running e-commerce store in United States of America. So let's start with it. So for setting up taxes you need to click on business info, and then you will see options like details, stores, countries and sales tax. So click on sales tax, and after clicking sales tax you will get option edit. Then click on edit, and once after clicking on edit you will get options like US state, sales tax setup, shipping and your sales tax category. So you can see these settings for different states in USA, and you know that different states in USA charging different kind of taxes. So you need to set up particular types of tax settings in your Google Merchant Center account and in Shopify store also. Like if you are in Alaska, maybe that Alaska is charging 5% taxes on your e-commerce selling, and in other states like Alabama there may be 2% charges on shipping and sales tax. So you can set up by clicking on that particular state. I'm setting it for California, and you can set up it by automatic based on customer location. So if you turn automatic based on customer location, then Google will use customer information and your business information for charging tax. And if your shipping is also taxable, then you need to click on taxable shipping, and in your e-commerce store you need to click on taxes and duties. And after clicking on taxes and duties you can set up taxes for different states, and you can set up taxes on shipping also. So you need to turn on both settings, like taxes on e-commerce sales and taxes on your shipping. So this is the way to set up taxes in Google Merchant Center. And if you want to set up manual taxes manually, then you can click on manual and then enter whatever charges being levied on your e-commerce sales. So to know the correct charges you can take help from your tax advisor, or you can use internet or Google search to find taxes in that different particular state, and you can create tax setting in here. So once you click on if I'm setting 5% taxes on California and shipping taxable, then after clicking on save I will create tax setting in Google Merchant Center. You can see that, and your tax categories. So you can leave tax categories, and you can select multiple state if you want. And if you choose automatic, then Google will decide based on the customer location and buyer location, customer location and seller location. So it will be set up automatically through Google Merchant Center, and you can set up automatic taxes in Shopify store also. So currently I don't have access for taxes and duties in Shopify store. That's why I cannot show how to create taxes and duties in like Shopify store. So this way you can set up taxes in Google Merchant Center, especially for USA. And if you face any difficulties in setting up taxes or any other settings in Google Merchant Center account, you can also contact us. Our helpline number is provided in video description, channel banner, and I will provide it in comment also. So if you need any help regarding Google Merchant Center, whether you are facing suspension issue or you are not able to import product from Shopify store to your Google Merchant Center, you can always contact us through WhatsApp, email or any other ways. We are always here to help you. So hope you like this video, and this video will be helpful for you to set up shipping and taxes and all the information. So thank you for watching.